Today, we're uncovering the charm of Kofuku-ji Temple, one of Nara's most significant cultural treasures. Kofuku-ji Temple is a stunning example of Nara's rich history and architectural beauty. Founded in 669, this Buddhist temple once served as a powerful religious and political center. It's renowned for its impressive pagoda and spacious grounds, which have been a part of Nara's landscape for centuries. The temple's 5-story pagoda is a standout feature, towering at 50 meters. It's Japan's second tallest wooden pagoda. As you wander the temple grounds, you'll also come across the Eastern Golden Hall, which houses various Buddhist artifacts and sculptures. One of the highlights of Kofuku-ji is its collection of national treasures, including statues and relics that showcase the artistry of early Japanese Buddhism. These treasures offer a glimpse into the spiritual and cultural life of ancient Japan. Make sure to visit the temple's museum, where you can explore more of Kofuku-ji's historical artifacts and learn about its role in Japanese history. The calm gardens surrounding the temple provide a peaceful spot to reflect on the temple's significance and enjoy the serene atmosphere. Kofuku-ji Temple is a must-see for anyone interested in Japan's cultural heritage. It's a place where history and spirituality come together in a breathtaking setting. Au revoir and keep exploring.